nature gave us food and shade, a home where joy and freedom played. We ran through forests wild and wide, a loving herd, side by side. But you came with cages, iron and fear, tore me away, my cries unclear. Now I'm trapped in a place you call zoo. You say it's love, but is it true? My heart still hears the forest song, where I truly feel I belong. You make me dance, but I just cry, while crowds just watch and pass me by. My rhythm is the rustling leaves, my music rides the midnight breeze. Please unlock this place of shame, let me find my soul again. Have you spent one night inside a cell for no mistake, no crime to tell? These fences stab like silent pain, and meals are dry, not like the rain. And I miss the taste of leaves so high, the canopy beneath the sky. I'm lonely in this noisy crowd, thousands here, but none allowed. I dream of forests without walls, where freedom answers nature's calls. No hunter's gun, no cruel parade, no sacred ground betrayed or laid. Let's share a world both wild and fair, where love and life fill the air. I'm counting days, I'm holding hope, that you let go the binding rope. If you care, then set me free, let my life be what it's meant to be. No more bars, no more show, just the earth, the wind, the rivers flow. The day you give up selfish gain and truly feel another's pain, the day the world will start to heal, and love at last will be real.